Hello mga kapitbahay! Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Arnold, ang inyong friendly kapitbahay. Now, kasama ko po ngayon yung isa sa mga kaibigan ko dito sa Canada from Hungary. Yes, from Hungary. Ang kaibigan ko na dati ko siyang katrabaho sa retirement home dati. Please welcome my friend, my very good friend, Sinya.
Hello.
Hello, just say hello mga kapitbahay. Hello.
Hello.
Mga
Kapit.
bahay.
Bahay.
Straight. Hello mga kapitbahay. Hello.
Hello.
Mga kapitbahay. Kapitbahay.
Kapito.
Kapit. Okay. So, ngayon, binisita niya ako ngayon. So, sabi ko, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng favorite, my Hungarian food favorite, which is the Hungarian
Cabbage rolls.
So, masarap siya magluto. She's a good cook. But this one is like a simple ingredients only. So, bear with me. Okay na ako sa mga simpleng food lang. So, this is from Hungary, right?
Yes.
This is the popular dish in Hungary.
Yeah.
So, where are you from again in Hungary? Budapest?
Close to Budapest.
Close to the Budapest. Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah. Let's start. What we gonna do first?
So first, what we do is let's
Susuot ako ng gloves sa mga kapitbahay kasi
Okay.
alam mo na, baka mamaya may ano dyan. Okay.
So
First, anong gagawin natin? What do we need here?
what we do first is
Uh-huh.
we mix the meat
Okay.
with the spices,
Okay.
with the egg, and
Okay.
with the rice.
Okay. So, these are the ingredients.
Exactly.
Eggs, one
Yeah.
egg, thyme, and then paprika,
yeah,
and then garlic,
2 or 3 garlics.
3 cloves. 3
Yeah.
cloves of garlic, and then salt and pepper,
Yeah.
and then
That one is the
Tomato
paste.
tomato sauce. Tomato sauce,
Yeah.
yeah. And then, supposed to be kailangan rice na hilaw siya. Pero sabi ko para maluto ng mabilis, cook rice. Okay? And then beef, ground beef. And then, we have, pinakuluan namin to, ito yung cabbage. 1 cabbage. Papakuluan mo yung cabbage para lumambot.
Yeah.
And then, oil. I'm using olive oil. Siyempre, alam mo na, healthy, right? And then, that's it. So, simulan na natin. First, what we need? This beef. We'll put it inside here.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. And then, we're gonna put
You can put the rice.
the rice. Like how much rice?
Let's put first only half.
Half. Okay. Cook rice to Okay.
Yes.
And then,
And then we can put salt and pepper.
salt and pepper.
Yes. As much as you like.
That's gonna be salty.
No.
Yeah. And then pepper, no?
Yes.
There you go. So, tagal na namin hindi nagkita. How many years we didn't see each other? Because she's so busy.
It's quite long. Yeah.
Yeah, quite long, right? Then me too.
A year. 2 years.
2 years. I guess so, yeah.
Yeah.
Tansya-tansya lang ako. Kasi alam niyo naman ako pag nagluluto, hindi ako yung ano lang, yung may sukat-sukat. So I always use the thing. Okay, what's next?
So we can put the garlic.
Garlic. Okay. Garlic. Okay. What's next?
Paprika.
Paprika. Okay. Yeah. And then
we can put the thyme.
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 Yes.
Okay.
And we can put egg.
Egg. 1 egg. Yeah. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Very simple. So, ito na siya. Okay? Then, I'm gonna
Now we can mix.
mix it all together.
Yes.
Yeah. And then, if you have like other, like sauerkraut, sauerkraut, you can put it there here too. Pero wala akong sauerkraut eh. Hindi naman kasi ako European. I'm Asian. I don't usually eat a sauerkraut.
You guys don't eat?
I know. Only for like here, the hot dogs, right? So para lang siyang lumpia. Alam mo yung nilulumpia? Minimix mo siya. And then, yan. After we're done, eto na siya. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, ibibilot na siya dyan.
Yeah.
You will put it there.
Yes.
Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin natin, i-roll natin siya sa cabbage. So, just easy. Kaya nga tinawag na cabbage rolls eh. Okay. Can you do it for me, Sinya?
Okay.
So, like
Let's see.
1 spoon, right? Only 1 spoon.
Little bit.
Okay. And then, yeah. Check nyo lang. Para siyang tawag dito, ni-roll na lumpia. Yeah. Ganyan. Yeah, they will like it. Still, cabbage rolls is cabbage rolls. Diba? There you go. Yan. Masarap siya, promise. Ito yung palagi ko nare-request kapag nagkikita kami or pag nagpupunta ako sa bahay niya, binibisita ko si Sinya. Her mom always cook this for me, right? Because I'm special.
Yes.
Yeah. So, after this, sabihin namin sa inyo ano yung susunod na gagawin. Madali lang siya. Madali siyang dish. Hungarian dish. Oh, di ba? Nakapunta na tayo ng Europe ngayon sa Hungary. Oh, di ba? Okay mga kapitbahay, tapos na tayong magrolyo. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay maglalagay tayo ng oil. Yeah? We need to put oil for the...
Yeah.
Yeah. Tansya-tansya lang.
So let's put it.
Okay.
Okay.
Painitin lang natin. And then, we put, what do you call this? Tomato sauce. Or this one first.
First, we put the cabbage roll.
Cabbage roll, so it's like a little fried or something?
And
Yeah.
then we put the cabbage roll. So we put
Okay. Okay, let's do this. So, cabbage roll muna ilalagay natin isa-isa doon. Okay. Put it now. God.
Little bit,
Come on.
no.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. Bango. Ooh. Okay.
No, no.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, go.
That's not good.
Hindi daw maganda. Listen na, it's okay. That's why I told you like this one first. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Pulin na yan. Okay. Yeah. After natin mailagay lahat yan, lalagay natin yung tomato sauce. I'm hungry now.
Yeah,
You made me hungry.
Because I'm from Hungary.
I'm hungry now because she's from Hungary. And we are eating Hungary food.
Yeah, we Hungarians like to eat.
Mm.
Love to eat.
Yeah.
So let's put the tomato.
Simmer lang for a bit and then lagay natin tong put now this one, okay? And then set aside natin this one and then open this. Okay? Then tomato sauce. Like how much? Can
Maybe you can put everything.
yeah, everything one ano siya for one 1 hour? How many minutes?
Like 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
You have to check.
Yeah. Once in a while, check nyo kasi dahil yun sa to sa beef niya. So, yeah. Okay, and then after that,
You can put a little water.
yeah. Okay. Tapos lalagyan natin ng konting tubig. Hey! Luto na! Luto na ang cabbage roll. So, after 45 minutes, 50 minutes, no? Almost an hour.
Yeah.
It's done now. Finally. So, mga kapitbahay, mahilig talaga ako sa kanin. Rice. In my country, rice is life. Eh, meron akong mais, meron akong corn. So, hindi to yung traditional na Hungarian food, but the food itself, it's a Hungary food. And I still have my extra rice, please. So, kakain na kami. We're both Hungary. Because my friend from Hungary is making a Hungarian food. Alright? Okay. Let's try this now. Ready?
Yeah.
Turn it off. There you go. Okay. Woo! Oh. Oh my God. Sounds looks good. Balik na. After.
No.
Yeah. It's gonna roll. See, I told you, like, put it
So
like
what?
this. Like this. Yeah. Like that. Put it like that. There. There. Okay.
Yes. Ooh, smells
Na.
good.
Smells good. So,
You first, no?
yeah. This one. Oh my God. It looks amazing. Wow. Oh my God. The sauce. I want the sauce.
Okay.
Mm. Who taught you how to cook? You always cook?
My mom
Your mom? I taught you how to cook
and
too,
my
no?
grandmother.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's really good. Oh my God. This one. This is for me. This is for you. And then, ito siya, oh. Cabbage roll. Hungarian cabbage roll. Beef siya. And then what's that? Oh. Ay, sa wakas, tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng Hungarian food. So, thank you for cooking. Thank you for cooking for me again. Maraming salamat po.
Marami.
Maraming salamat
Salamat.
po.
Po.
Yeah. Okay mga kapitbahay, tikiman time. So, this is for you. This is for me. And let's try this amazing dish cooked by my honey.
Oh.
Yeah, you're my honey, no? Oh.
Yes, honey bunch.
Honey bunch!
Yeah.
Yeah, matagal ko na kasi siyang kaibigan. Long time ago. How many years already we've been friends?
Let's say
5 years?
no.
6 years?
More.
8 years? 7.
Could be
Yeah.
9.
9 years now.
9.
See? Tapos huli namin kita last year only, no? Because of the pandemic.
Yep.
Yeah. So, ngayon na uli kami ano. So, let's eat. Kain na. Say to the kapitbahay, kain na.
Kain na.
Just hold it and then say, tara, kain na.
Yeah. Tara.
Kain na.
Kain na.
How do you say let's eat in Hungary?
We said egészségedre.
Eh? Egészségére? What?
You wait vágyat.
Yugate bagyot?
You.
Sinong bayot? Oh, what is it?
We said you wait vágyat.
You wait bayot?
Kívánok.
You wait kibanyot.
You wait vágyat. Kívánok.
Kiwait banyot. Ah, so hard. Okay, so
Okay.
let's try this. Okay, and then try this one.
It's too hot
It's
for me.
too hot. I'm gonna try this. Oh my god. So good.
How is it? Oh,
The thyme. I can taste the thyme.
really?
Really good. And then the beef is really good though. It's really good, yeah. So, mga kapitbahay, salamat po sa pagtiyaga nyo uli sa akin ng pag-vlog ko. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo. So sana may natutunan kayo, pwedeng gawin nyo to. Lalo na dyan mga kapitbahay. Napaka-simple lang. At least meron na kayong Hungarian food. Alright? So, paalam po. Salamat! You say bye there to them. Bye!
Bye.
Paalam!
Paalam.
Paalam mga kapitbahay!
Paalama.
Paalam!
Paalam.
Mga
Mga
kapitbahay!
kapitbahay.
Bye!